What's up, YouTube? I feel like I'm making a video today. So, here it is.
Well, hey there, Noah.
What the fuck?
Calm down, Noah. Haven't you ever seen a talking chicken before? It's perfectly fine. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Okay. I'm gonna slowly walk back into this bathroom, and you will not be here sitting in my chair. So, here I go, okay? You're not gonna be here.
Hey there again, Noah. Still don't believe that I'm real, huh?
Okay, so there is a chicken man right now, sitting in my room right now, in my chair right now, talking to me right now. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go get my knife and stab you repeatedly until you're dead.
There's no need for violence, Noah. I am not here to harm you like I said before. I am only here to help you.
Help me with what? Your chicken powers?
No, that is not why I am here. The reason I am here is to warn you that in the near future, the fallout from a catastrophic event turns humans into half men, half chicken.
How do you know that?
Because I am from the future.
Oh, bullshit. Not only are you a talking chicken, but you're a liar, too.
Noah, I hate to tell you this, but I am you.
Good one, chicken. That's actually pretty funny for a chicken.
I am telling you the truth, Noah.
Yeah, alright. Let me see your face, chicken.
As you wish. See? I am you.
I'm getting the knife now.
Please, do not harm me.
Too late. I'm kinda thirsty now.
Told you shouldn't have harmed me, Noah. Goodbye. I'm kinda thirsty now. That's good.